everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, you are also welcome. My name is Nena, and I would love for you to consider joining us by subscribing to my YouTube channel, because the more we are here, the merrier. Guys, it's my birthday today, January 15, 2021. Oh, OMG. I am so excited. I am super excited to be alive to celebrate yet another birthday, and I am most especially grateful to God for the gift of life and for all he has blessed me with, which includes my luxury birthday gift to myself, hence this video. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this video, I guess it's safe to assume that you have also watched the behind the scenes of my birthday photo shoot. But if you haven't, no worries, as I will gladly link it up here for your viewing pleasure. As you can tell, I woke up with so much excitement that I'm filming this video quite early this morning, and the time is 5 a.m. Not just that, I have to make this video real quick as I'm actually on standby to go on a flight, and I wouldn't want to get a call while filming this video. So real quick, before I begin the unboxing of my luxury birthday gift to myself, I want to quickly light a candle and make a wish. Happy birthday to me. With that out of the way, let's get into the video, and let me add that I am actually doing a true unboxing, as I have not opened the box since the store in Europe packaged and shipped it down to me. So we'll all be doing the unboxing together. So it came in this big Dior shopping bag. Jeez. See how beautifully and carefully packaged the box is. You know, there's always a risk involved when buying stuff over the phone or online, as there might be problems on the item as against actually going into a store to try on what you want to buy and see how it looks on you. So this is me keeping my fingers crossed that all is in order. Enough talking then. So guys, do you want to see what I got? This is the catalog, I believe. I'll look at that later. Bubble wrap, tissue. It's none other than the Dior. Ooh, the Lady Dior mini. So many dust bags. Ooh. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. If only you guys can touch this bag. It's incredibly awesome. So this is the Lady Dior mini in blush. Look at that. And this is in lambskin. Oh my G. With good hardware. This color is beautiful. This color is beautiful. Oh, did I show you? Yeah, see, This is the linen drawstring dust bag with the swan on it, and then a second dust bag. I didn't know it came in 2 dust bags. Woo! So let's go into the bag proper. I'll have to take out all this later. It has a flap as against a zipper. This is super cool. What is this? Ooh, I don't know. More packaging, I guess. And then so this is my authentication card. Obviously I have to cover my details here. This the authentication card and a booklet. Hey bag. Oh, a tiny dust bag for the charms. And the strap. So it has leather along with the chain. This is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful. And inside looks like this. It's so beautiful. It has a side zipper. Go ahead and attach the strap. I really don't know about anyone else, but for me, when something is majorly on trend, I kind of stay away and wait to see if the trend continues or not. But in the case of this bag, it has come to stay, and I couldn't help but join the bandwagon, as I am ready for it now. But before buying this bag, I did an extensive research, as it wouldn't just make any sense to spend such an amount of money on a bag without finding out what makes the bag tick. And speaking of money, this bag costs, where's that? The bag costs 2,314 euros. With its tax of 21%, everything came to, and like I said earlier, I got this bag in Europe. So this bag isn't going to be a practical bag for everyday use, I know that, but it's such a beautiful bag to look at. I mean, like, this blush pink color surely surpasses other color that I've seen. Like, it's beautiful. Look at the Dior charm, and then it has the Christian Dior behind it. A piece of art. Not only is it a beautiful bag to look at, it's very chic, which basically describes my style. Moving on. So I chose the lambskin as against the patent leather because it is understated, which I love. And you also get the gold hardware, and in this case it's not the yellow gold, this is like the champagne gold, which is beautiful. This bag is classy, it is beautiful, and really, really elegant, even if I say so myself. Really, there's absolutely nothing more to say about this bag other than I'm going to get a good wear out of it for sure. And that's all for now about my luxury birthday unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please leave me a comment below, as it would mean a lot to me considering that it's my birthday today. But most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until my next video, guys, stay blessed. Cheers.